Hi, this is Shelley. Welcome to my channel. This video is just showing a little bit of the estuary on a quiet day. You see the great egret and now the little egret hunting hard. Up she goes. Love it when they do that. Really beautiful. Very hard to capture. She got her fish. Pretty happy now. She'll keep hunting as she does, doing her beautiful dance on the water. Mesmerising. She's having a look and deciding what to do. Great egret. Bar-tailed godwits, currently around the estuary. A few more weeks and they'll be on their way, migrating. We don't get them in colour here. Sometimes they'll arrive in breeding colours, but it soon fades. Caspian tern hunting hard. They are feeding juveniles now. Eastern osprey. They too are very busy as they have juveniles in the nest. Some are flying and some are getting ready to fly. We have plenty of ospreys around the estuary. And they capture quite big fish at times. Quite magnificent actually, and to photograph is a real adrenaline rush as they come in with a huge fish, often repositioning it in their talons. Narkeen night heron, and they're around the estuary in quite a few. I hope you enjoyed some of the snippets from the Mandurah Estuary. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.